Let's use some best practices for migrating data. Hit the Migrate Data button on Nexus. You can choose any system as the source, and you can choose any system as the target. Everything moves and migrates between all systems both ways. I've chosen Teradata, and now I'm choosing Snowflake as the target. You pick the tables from the source of Teradata you want to move and hit that blue button, and now everything is ready to move to Snowflake and the database Nexus in the schema SQL destination. Notice here, in between these two systems, I've got three options for my load utilities. I chose ODBC export for all of them to start, but I can change individually and say, hey, this is a larger one. I want TPT export and bulk copy for the smaller ones. I hit execute. The load scripts have been built. The conversions are done. We are migrating this data right from our PC, and we can see if it turns green, everything has been successful. It will let you know the times. It will have a detailed log of each data movement as if you've written these scripts by hand. So this is how the pros are going to do this. We're migrating data. It can be small, medium, it can be huge. And the Nexus is going to be able to migrate this at nice speeds here. Now, this is the key for the best practice. Now that I have this, I'm going to save this project. I've tested that it works. I'm saving my Teradata to Snowflake. I can type anything I want in there. This is now saved. When I'm ready to do this, I'm going to go to the server. This is the Nexus server. I choose that, and it goes, what do you want to do? And I go, I want to migrate. Now, what I did locally on my PC, I'm going to do on the server. I hit load project. There's my Teradata to Snowflake that I tested out weeks, months earlier. And now I can even make changes here. I'm going to create and drop these tables. I'm going to save the project, and now I'm scheduling it. It's going to move from the source through a Nexus server to the target. Schedule it once, daily, weekly, monthly. I can put it on a global calendar here. I'm just going to do this immediately, and I have set this up, and it's going to start running right on the Nexus server. So there's your best practice. Test it, run it. When it's successful, get it ready and save it, and move it and run it on a Nexus server.